On this page, you're going to learn about navigating the course, and there's two main navigation menus that you need to know about in Canvas. The first one is the course navigation menu. This first menu here links to different areas of our specific course. This more global navigation bar over here takes you to broader parts of Canvas. So we're going to use these links on this page to access different parts of the course. If you scroll down on this page, it provides you some screenshots, some pictures, and here are 4 steps. You want to access modules, assignments, discussion boards, and announcements. And that's going to look like this. You can come up here to modules and click on this link, and it's going to show you the modules. Mine are going to look different from yours because I haven't published them all for your class yet, so I have more of the teacher view. But that's an idea of what you're going to be seeing as we progress through the semester. You'll see all of these. Under the orientation module, there are individual pages. And then another example will be module 1. Here are the individual pages in that module. And so that's how the course will be organized, with pages under each module. You can also click on assignments, and again, I'm going to have a lot more assignments than what you see, but this is what you're going to be looking for as the semester progresses. These assignments will be added. You can also look in the discussion section, and you are going to see our Ask and Answer forum, which you're going to learn is where you could post general questions. There is the online discussion board rubric pinned here at the top, which you're going to be looking at during this orientation in a few more pages. And then you're going to have the introduce yourself discussion to be completed also during today's orientation. And then finally, you can always go to the announcements link to look at announcements that have been posted in the class. And currently, we only have the first announcement. You're going to use this global navigation bar over here to a lot of times access the inbox, which is how you're going to be able to contact me and your class.